Hello, my name is Jake. I choose skateboarding for my KOL topic because skateboarding is fun, fast, and challenging. Sometimes I fail and sometimes I success. I learned skateboard for half a year with my teacher, and sometimes I watch YouTube to learn more about skateboards. I will share you 10 basic tricks for today. Why I choose these 10 tricks? Because these are my favorite tricks in skateboard. So I'm gonna teach you how to do it. Before we do anything, let me introduce two styles. One is called goofy style and one is called regular style. Goofy style is a type which is you put your left foot on the left end of the board and the other foot in the middle of the board. And regular style is a style that you put your right foot on the right end of the board and the other foot on the middle of the board. Now let me tell you how to do a kick turn. But first, I'm using a goofy style. First, you put your left foot on the left end of the board and the other foot in the middle of the board. And then you put your body weight on the foot which is on the end of the board. And the other foot will kick the board to the direction you want to go. And then that is a kick turn. I use kick turn to turn. And sometimes we use kick turn for some tricks or even on top of the ramps. The next trick is how to break. Remember we talked about goofy style and regular style? So I'm still using goofy style. There is two ways to break. The first one is you put your left leg on the ground and balance it until it stops. And then the second way is you balance your board too on one side until it stops. The next trick, the third one, is jump off from a curb. First thing you need to do is push your board super quick. Next, bend your knees. You tip your board a little bit. Make sure the board lands on the ground flat. When you came down off the curb, you bend your knees again. The fourth trick is go down on ramps. First way you can go down on ramp is drop in. The second way is just go down on ramps. But each time you go on the ramps or go up on the ramp, you need to pump. Pumping makes you go faster. And then you get faster and faster, you can go higher and then go down. But make sure you wear a helmet and pads and elbow pads. And you start off from a small mini ramps first, either than the big ramp, because when you need to practice the small ramps first, then you can, when you improve, you can go up to the big ramps. Next, the trick is have funny name. It's called Monster Walk. Monster Walk is a trick you can walk like a monster. It's kind of fun, so that's why I like this trick. First, we put 2 feet on the end of the board. 2 end of the board. Next, you put your body weight on one end. Then you kick the another end forward, just like a kick turn. And you do it in the other side. And then you like this. And you make it funny when you do improve. And that is a monster walk. The next trick I'm going to teach you is pumping. You are very familiar with it because I like pumping because you get faster. How you pump is you bend your knees and stand up. That's easy. Bend your knees, stand up, bend your knees, stand up. It's very easy. But when you go down the ramps, you do pump. And when you go up the ramp, you pump again. It makes you go super fast. And then you can get fast and then go loops and then you'll get very well. And then that is the pumping. The next trick I want to show you is drop in. The first step is put your one side tip of the board on the ramp with one foot standing on it. And that is the scariest drop in. I hate drop in. I don't really like it because it's very, very scary. Next, you put the other foot on the other end of the board and you stomp. And make sure your body weight goes on the front. Then you go down the ramp super fast. You can do pumping as well, but I don't really like to do pumping because it goes way, way too fast. Then you need to wear helmets, knee pads, elbow pads. It is scary, but it's the coolest trick. The next trick is an ollie. I use something to help me pretend like a board. First, you put your left foot on the left end, and then the other foot put on the middle of the board, and then pop. When you pop, the board is literally flying. And then you kick the board so it's gone flat. That means you're flying. When you kick the board, it flies. And then you use both legs to land on the ground together. And then if you keep practicing, you'll make it much easier. Look at this. Like this, okay? And last trick I'm gonna show you is called menu. So I'm gonna show you tail menu first because there's two types of menus. First type is called tail menu, and then tail menu is like this. You balance on the back wheels. You balance, and then you need to balance while you're moving. So that's super hard. And then I tried my very best to do nose menu. It's the second type of menu. It's quite harder than the tail menu because nose menu is you use your front wheel to balance while you're moving. I tried super hard to do this. After this video, I hope you learned how to play skateboard, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope we can play skateboard together. Bring your boards, let's play some skateboard.